If you're trying to lose weight after 40 and you feel like you're doing all the things, but you're still struggling with cravings, low energy, mood swings, or stubborn belly fat, there may be one missing piece nobody talks about enough. And that missing piece is sleep. I'm Dr. Kisha Pickford, a nurse practitioner and hormone-informed metabolic and weight loss strategist. Welcome to Weight Talk Thursdays, where we keep it heart-centered, hormone-friendly, and real-life approved for women over 40. Today, we're talking about something many women underestimate, and that's sleep and rest. Because if you're sleeping 4 or 5 hours a night, tossing and turning, scrolling your phone until midnight, waking up tired, or living in a constant state of stress, that may be quietly affecting your weight loss journey more than you realize. And let me be honest, as someone who has lost over 130 pounds, I had to learn that weight loss is not just about eating less and exercising more. Sleep matters, rest matters, recovery matters. And for years, I worked long shifts, balanced life, parenting, school, and stress, and sometimes sleep became optional. I kept pushing because that's what so many of us do. But I learned the hard way that without proper rest, the body eventually tells the truth. And sometimes it will make you sit down unexpectedly. Many women, just like me, are learning this hard truth too. So let's talk about what poor sleep actually looks like in real life. Poor sleep can look like constant cravings for sugar or carbs. It can look like feeling hungry all day. It can look like being so exhausted that movement feels impossible. It can show up as brain fog, low motivation, irritability, and emotional eating because you are mentally drained. Have you ever noticed that after a bad night of sleep, you suddenly want chips, sweets, caffeine, or comfort food? Well, that is not weakness. That's your body being tired. And after 40, hormones are already shifting. Perimenopause and menopause can make sleep harder. And that means cravings, mood, belly fat, and consistency can all feel harder too. So sometimes women blame themselves when really they're exhausted. So here's the insight I want you to hear today. Poor sleep affects weight loss in many ways people don't always realize. And here are a few ways. First, sleep affects hunger hormones. When you are sleep deprived, hormone signals can feel louder and fullness signals may not work as well. Second, sleep affects stress. Poor sleep puts the body under stress. And when stress stays elevated, it becomes harder to stay consistent with your meals, your movement, mindset, and your habits. Third, sleep affects decision making. When we're exhausted, we usually do not crave grilled chicken and vegetables. We crave fast energy. Nobody ever says, I only slept 4 hours. Let me go meal prep kale today. Most of us are looking for caffeine, sugar, chips, or something quick just to get through the day. And fourth, sleep affects movement. You are less likely to walk, exercise, stress, or make intentional choices when you feel depleted. So weight loss is not just about food. It's about energy, hormones, mindset, habits, stress, recovery, and yes, sleep. So what do we actually do? Well, here are a few practical tips. Tip number 1, build a bedtime rhythm. Try going to bed around the same time most nights, even if it's not perfect. Your body does better with rhythm and routine. Tip number 2, reduce stimulation before bed. Put the phone down earlier if you can. Dim the lights. Turn off some of the noise. Give your nervous system a chance to calm down. Tip number 3, watch evening caffeine and heavy meals. Sometimes what we do late in the day affects how well we sleep at night. And tip number 4, create a calming habit. That could be prayer, journaling, stretching, deep breathing, or reading. You do not need a perfect nighttime routine. You just need a better one. And better does not have to be complicated. If your weight loss feels harder than it should be, don't overlook sleep. Sometimes the issue is not discipline. Sometimes the body is tired. Better sleep can support better energy, better mood, better focus, fewer cravings, and a healthier relationship with food. And because this matters so much, I've recently created a self-guided wellness challenge called Fresh Rest, Better Sleep, Better Life. Inside this 4-week challenge, I walk women through practical, realistic, sleep-supporting habits that fit into real life. And if you enjoy conversations like this around mindset, habits, and sustainable weight loss after 40, my book, The Wait Is Over, is available below as well. The links will be in today's description. Well, that's all I have for today. I want to thank you for joining and listening. And until next time, I need you to remember, your health is not a secret. It is your story. So own it. And I'll see you next week. Bye.